you get it?
Getting better with each one.
Well, this has got tape, like, the whole way.
Oh, that's cool. On this end, I see that.
Oh, there. There's one. Try that. Even that was tape, but the tape
Evaluate the paper.
There you go. Keep pulling. Oh, that's some tough stuff, huh? Here, I'll get it started for you. There.
Is that good wrapping paper?
Yes, thick. Pretty thick. What's that? Thomas. Thomas the train. Yeah, train.
Oh, is that his
Oh,
first train
they're
now?
bathtub toys.
Oh, they're bathtub
That's
toys.
cool.
They squirt.
Yeah. Here, look at the other
That's the
side.
only thing I saw for his age.
Okay, that's cute.
But
Yeah,
that's
we're going to
cool.
start him with the train sets next year probably, and then maybe collect because they have all these little trains that you could buy quick and it's
Oh, I know, I looked at the
Yeah.
bottom.
Should I open it?
You pay $50,
Yeah.
$75, $100 for some of the stuff.
Oh, no, we got the little ones like
The wooden blocks, you set them out, the wooden block.
oh, the wooden train. I guess is really
It's right in there.
Yeah, they actually move, I mean, they got batteries.
Those are cool. Cool. You lost the slipper, but that's...
Oh, dang.
This isn't like you squeeze it in the water to squirt
Figure it
out.
out. Oh, yeah, he likes that.
You want to take it off? You can take it off.
It might be a little too big, huh?
Yeah.
Tommy the
Yeah,
train.
good job. Yeah, train. Well, yeah. Chugga, 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 chugga. Woo, woo. Pretty cool.
I'm facing the wrong direction. You should have
Oh,
that.
where did you?
Wow, this other one that
What?
wraps.